Right-wing influencer Candace Owens has followed Kanye West in being refused entry to Australia after a court upheld a decision that her record failed a character test under local laws. In October 2024, Owens was rejected for a visa to conduct a speaking tour. She appealed to the country's high court, where judges Stephen Gagler, Michelle Gordon, and Robert Beach-Jones rejected her application. They said the implied freedom of political communication is not a personal right, is not unlimited, and is not absolute, reported Reuters. Justice James Edelman added in a separate ruling, Ms. Owens-Farmer's submissions should be emphatically rejected. Owens was also ordered to pay the government's legal costs. Home Affairs Minister Tony Burke, who had first rejected Owens' application in October 2024, said the outcome was a win for social cohesion, citing concerns or comments toward Muslim, Black, Jewish, and LGBTQIA+ communities could stir up strife. Burke said her views were extremist and inflammatory. The court also noted her statements on Black Lives Matter, women, and COVID-19 vaccines. In July, Australia cancelled U.S. rapper West's visa, citing concerns that his May song, Heil Hitler, promoted Nazi ideology. Owens' conspiracy theories and anti-Semitic rhetoric did not pass the character test for a visa under Australia's Migration Act, Burke said at the time of the denial. Owens fought the denial in court, arguing that a section of the act was invalid or that Burke had misconstrued the law. Her lawyers said the character test was more likely to exclude atypical political views that sparked division. Owens' lawyer Perry Hertzfeld said that inciting discord as a reason to reject a visa was too broad and could include debate that was very much in the eye of the beholder, The Guardian reported. Hertzfeld argued in May that this kind of denial will include people who will stimulate debate the minister doesn't like. The decision, said the judges of the court, unanimously held that, reading the minister's decision fairly and as a whole, the minister did not misconstrue the act in deciding to refuse to grant the visa. Burke had argued that Owens had made extremist and inflammatory comments towards Muslim, Black, Jewish, and LGBTQIA+ communities, which generate controversy and hatred. Burke said in October, from downplaying the impact of the Holocaust with comments about Nazi Dr. Joseph Mengele through to claims that Muslims started slavery, Candace Owens has the capacity to incite discord in almost every direction. Australia's national interest is best served when Candace Owens is somewhere else. Burke also considered Owens' influence on the perpetrator of the Christchurch, New Zealand, mosque terrorist attacks, who described the plaintiff as the person who had influenced him above all, ABC Australia reported. The court said Owens was not entitled to any relief and ordered her to pay the defendant's costs.